Working in Irvine today. We are replacing this furnace in a closet and evaporative coil. We are replacing this system because it's York microchannel outdoor unit and it's leaking, most likely from outside unit. So it's time to replace it and get new higher efficiency system with 10-year warranty for parts. We are replacing outdoor air conditioner. It's a York from 2010. It didn't last long. It has refrigerant leak, most likely from outdoor condenser coil, which is microchannel technology. You can do your Google research. Never get unit with microchannel coil. So just for fun, we're doing pressure test. Pressure is leaking out rapidly. And this is York microchannel coil. So the leak is right here, straight from the middle of the coil. And there may be multiple leaks actually in this coil. We replaced old furnace with new one. This is ultra low NOx model made by Allied, a Lennox international company. So new furnace, evaporative coil, condensate pump, filter dryer inside, U-trap, vent, SS2 water sensor, gas line, new shut-off valve, new sediment trap, new filter base or filter cabinet. It's a basic filter cabinet. It can take 1-inch filters and it can take 2-inch filters. 2-inch filters are much better for efficiency. New unit installed. We did keep old plastic pad because there is deck built around it. Line set wrapped inside UV cover. This is 3-ton 16 SEER unit. Pretty quiet.